Good morning students, welcome to our English class, text class, okay. Remember in the previous class, do you remember? So, tell me the name of the story that we completed in the previous class. Students, tell me. Yes, Diksha, very good morning. Diksha, Ishan. Yes, Nehanjana, very good. Neha's alarm clock. Yes. Thank you so much, Nehanjana. Other students who can tell me, in the previous class we completed the story. The name of the story, tell me. Ishan, Kritika, very good morning. Snehanjana gave me the right answer, Neha's alarm clock. I was expecting this answer from other students also. So, Neha's alarm clock. Oh, 3 people are typing. Very nice. So, Neha's alarm clock is completed. Now, who can tell me who is Neha? Who is Neha? Who can tell me? Let me see if you can remember the previous story. Yes, Shubhashree Karmakar, Neha's alarm clock, Kritika, yes. Now tell me, who is Neha? Who is Neha? Let me know if you can remember. Tell me, who is Neha? Tell me. Neha, yes, Diksha, very good. A little school going girl, isn't it, like you? So, we saw that Neha, every day she wants to sleep a little more, isn't it? But she didn't get the chance because of the alarm clock. But later she understood, her mother made her understood that it was our body clock. Vidyashree, switch off your front camera. Vidyashree, switch off your front camera. So, at the end of the story, we came to know that it was Neha's mother who made her understand that our body clock, it is our body clock who tells us when to wake up, when to sleep, and when to take food. And that time when our alarm, our body clock tells us that it is the time, right time to have food, and that time we feel hungry. You know, when our body tells us it is the right time to sleep, then we feel sleepy. Okay, so our body clock means like you can tell it is like our brain and also our body, because our body becomes accustomed with it. That means our habit grows. Understood? That is called our body clock. Yes, that is also we can call it our brain, isn't it? Snehanjana, it is Marigold book. Snehanjana, it is Marigold book, English textbook. Okay. So, open para. Today we will start a poem. In the previous class we completed a story. So, today we will do a poem, and we will do the poem Noses. Open page number 18, 18. So, get ready. 18. Hey Diksha, what is the spelling of noses? So, look at the book, page number 18. Here we see that, what do we see? That a little girl who is standing before the little girl is standing before what? No one. So, this little girl is standing in front of, write fast, in front of the mirror, okay, and she is looking in the mirror. Now, what she thinks, what is going on in her, yes, mirror, but with the street, M-I-R-R-O-R, yes. Kritika right spelling, Shubhashree also right, Shauri is right, Snehanjana only, yes, right. So, when she is looking in the mirror, what does she think and what is going on in her mind, that is described in the poem. And the poet, what is the name of the poet? Who is the poet? Who can tell me the name of the poem? Name of the poem, Noses. And name of the poet, tell me the name of the poet. It is Eileen Fisher, isn't it? Eileen Fisher, A-I-L-E-E-N, Eileen Fisher, F-I-S-H-E-R, okay. So, let's, yes, Shubhashree Karmakar, Kritika, Diksha, very good. Yes, Snehanjana, right, Ishan. So, the first para. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. So, the girl says that whenever she is looking in the mirror, she finds that her nose is the funniest thing. Why? Because the way it grows stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. And you know, the way the nose grows, and it has two holes, and through those holes the breathing goes. So, all the process and the whole thing looks very funny to her. Next para. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair. So, again the girl says, whenever she is looking in the mirror, what does she see? She sees the end of my chin and the begin of her hair. Okay, and there the nose is between this portion, isn't it? And here the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, and she finds that there is not enough space for nose. You know, our hair starts from this place, from this space, okay, and our chin ends here. Between this space the nose is there, and the girl finds there is not enough space, there is not much space for the nose, and it looks so funny how it grows. Isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. Our nose is like a handle. To the girl, the nose seems like a handle, okay. It is sticking here, it just stuck here. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do about, just look in the mirror, and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. So, the girl says, if you want to giggle or shout, or you cannot think what to do with this nose, okay, what can be said to this nose. So, just look at the mirror and look in the mirror, and then no doubt you will find this nose is the funniest thing. Students, so this is the poem. You will see how funny your nose sticks out. So, the girl thinks about her nose in this way. Okay. So, it is a, I think, very easy poem, isn't it, students? And now tell me, do you find your nose is the funniest thing? Do you? Students, do you find that your nose is the funniest thing? Do you find? Yes, Niranjana, but the little girl finds that nose is the funniest thing. Okay, so now look at your book carefully. I am going to ask, oh Vidyashree, you find that? Okay, it's your choice. So, if as students, I will ask questions. Now, I looked in the almirah, isn't it? Am I right, student? I looked in the almirah. Is it right? Tell me. Yes, Shauris, mirror. Very good, Shauris. Now tell me. And looked at my ear. Do not write no, no, no. You will write the correct word. Okay. And looked at my ear, and looked at my ear. Is it ear? And looked at my ear. Yes, nose. N-O-S-E. Diksha. N-O-S-E, nose. It is the funniest thing, the way it brings. It is the funniest thing, the way it brings. Is it right? Is it? Now tell me. Yes, grows. Very good. Now, I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my face and the start of my hair. The end of my face and the start of my hair, right? Tell me. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my face. Yes, Shauris. Thank you, Shauris. Shauris gave me the answer first. This time Shauris is the first one, then Diksha, then Kritika. Yes, the right word is chin, Vidyashree, Snehanjana. Now, next question. Be careful. And between there isn't much space to spare with my eyes. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my eyes. This time Diksha is the first one, but Diksha, your spelling is not correct. So, I will consider Snehanjana as the first. Snehanjana, then Shohana, yes, show stop. Diksha, again N-O-E-S, no, N-O-S-E. Diksha, correct your spelling. Yes, Shubhashree, Shaurish, Diksha, correct your spelling, N-O-S-E. Okay? Yes, Shiraj, very good. My next question is, if ever you want to giggle and cry, if ever you want to giggle and cry, yes, Snehanjana, you are the first one this time again. Shout. Oh no, Shohana came. Yes, Snehanjana, then Shohana, then Diksha, Showstop. Hey, Shubhashree Karmakar, you are asking the page number. You don't know? Page number 18. So, Snehanjana, you are the first one, then Shohana, then Diksha, then Showstop, Showrish. Now, let me see who is going to give me the right answer. Shiraj, very good. Kritika, Ishan, Shubhasri Karmukar. Now, you got the page number. Okay. Now, the next question is, if ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just see in the mirror. Let me see who is the first one. Just see in the mirror. Snehanjana can't. No. Just see in the mirror. Yes, Shiraj, you are the first one this time. Shiraj is first. Then Shohana, Diksha, why can't? No. Listen carefully. Vidyashree, right. Vidyashree, Snehanjana, Showstop. Okay, Shorish, I repeat. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just see in the mirror. Okay, Shubhashree, right. Diksha, Ishan, very good. Let me see what Shorish is writing. Just see in the mirror. So, the right word is look. Just look in the mirror and then with doubt, just look in the mirror and then with doubt, no doubt. Very good. Snehanjana, you are the first one. Snehanjana, then Shohana, Diksha, Shubhashree. Very good. Okay. Kritika, right. Just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will watch. You will watch and you will see how sad your nose. You will see. Okay, who gave me the first answer? Diksha. This time Diksha is the first. Then Shohana, then Siraj, Shorish. Okay, now my next question is, you will see how sad your nose. Am I right? Shorish, very good. Funny. Ishan, what I told? I told you will see how sad your nose. So, Ishan, the right answer is? Ishan, give me the right answer. You will see how sad your nose. Yes, how funny. Diksha, you are the first. Then Snehanjana. Then Shohana, Siraj, Kritika. Very good. Ishan, give me the right answer. So, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Okay. Very good, very good. So, now tell me who is the poet? Who is the poet? Write the name. Who is the poet? Who is the poet? Ellen Fisher, Ishan, this time you are the first. Ishan, Shohana, okay, Snehanjana, very good. So, students, the the poem is complete and you all gave me the right answer. Thank you so much. And so, bye for today. Have a good day. Bye students. Bye bye.